Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub.
Are you struggling to write your research problem? Many students choose a great research topic, but get stuck when their supervisor asks, "What is the research problem?" In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to write a strong research problem using ChatGPT and Consensus AI. Let's begin. So first, what is research problem? A research problem is the issue or gap your study aims to solve. It explains why your research is needed and what question it will answer. Today, we'll use ChatGPT to organize and refine the research problem, Consensus AI to find evidence from published research papers. For this example, we'll use the topic Impact of Social Media on Mental Health. Before writing a research problem, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What am I studying? Who is affected? Why is this important? For our example, we are studying how social media affects people's mental health, particularly university students and young adults who spend several hours online every day. This gives us the background for the problem. Open Consensus AI and search Impact of Social Media on Mental Health. Read the abstracts and conclusions of several research papers. You may notice findings such as heavy social media use is associated with anxiety and depression. Excessive screen time affects sleep quality. Online comparison can lower self-esteem. Some studies also report positive effects, such as increased social support. This helps you understand what researchers already know. Now, ask, what hasn't been studied? Are the findings inconsistent? Is there a specific population that researchers have overlooked? For example, many studies focus on Western countries, while fewer studies examine university students in your local context. Or perhaps previous research examined depression, but did not investigate stress and anxiety together. This missing information becomes your research gap. Remember, a research problem comes from identifying what is still unknown or insufficiently explored. Now, open ChatGPT. Use a prompt like, write a research problem for the topic Impact of Social Media on Mental Health, based on the research gap that limited studies have examined university students in Pakistan. ChatGPT will generate a draft. Don't copy it directly. Read it carefully, improve the wording, and make sure it matches the evidence you found in published research. AI should help you write, not think for you. A strong research problem should answer 5 questions. What is the problem? Who is affected? Why is it important? What is missing in previous research? How will your study address this gap? If your paragraph answers these questions clearly, you're on the right track. Before submitting your research problem, go back to Consensus AI and compare your draft with published studies. Make sure every claim is supported by evidence. Never rely entirely on AI-generated text. Academic research should always be based on credible sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. On this channel, you'll learn how to use AI for research proposals, literature reviews, methodology, data analysis, thesis writing, and academic publishing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.